Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Sayyid Ali Mardan Azmi. Welcome to my channel. In this lecture, we will discuss exercise 15.2, question number 27 from Thomas Calculus 12th edition book. Statement of question is integrate f over the given region. Region is triangle. F is given by u minus square root of v, and triangular region is over the triangular region cut from the first quadrant of the UV plane by the line u plus v equal to 1. So first of all, we will plot this triangular region. In order to plot this triangular region in the first quadrant, we will draw horizontal and vertical axis. Our horizontal axis will be u-axis and vertical axis will be v-axis, and their point of intersection will be 0, 0, which is called origin. Then equation of horizontal axis will be v equal to 0, and equation of vertical axis will be u equal to 0. In the next step, we will plot this line u plus v equal to 1. We can rewrite this line as v is equal to minus u plus 1. This line will passes through the ordered pairs 0, 1 and 1, 0. These ordered pairs are calculated as when u equal to 0, you will get v equal to 1. So we get first ordered pair. When u equal to 1, you will get v equal to 0. So we get second ordered pair. We will mark this ordered pair on our coordinate axis as 1, 0 and 0, 1. And then we will join these ordered pairs. So we will get, with the help of this straight line, then we will get our triangular region, and the equation of this red line will be u plus v equal to 1. In the next step, we will integrate f of uv is equal to u minus square root of v for this triangular region. In order to integrate the given function, we have to decide for our inner variable and outer variable. So in this question, I have taken v is my inner variable and u is my outer variable. Now, for the limits of inner variable, we will pass an arrow, vertical arrow from bottom to top through this region. This arrow enters the green line in our region and will exit our region through the red line. The equation for this green line is v equal to 0. So from here, our lower limit will be 0. You can see here. And this arrow exits our boundary through the red line where the value of v is minus u plus 1. So our upper limit will be minus u plus 1. For outer variable, we will check the range of our region for that particular axis. As u is our outer variable, so we will check the range of our region for this particular axis. Along u, our region starts from origin and ends at 1, 0. At this point, 1, 0, the value of u is 1. And at the origin, the value of u is 0. So our outer limit will be 0 to 1. In the next step, we will solve this integral. In order to solve this integral, we will always solve inner integral first, and then on the results of inner integral, we will apply outer integral. So I have isolated the inner integral with the help of brackets and changed its color so that you will be focused on this particular portion. Now the integration of v will be v square over 2, and with respect to v, square root of u is constant, and its integration will be only v into square root of u. In the next step, we will apply fundamental theorem of calculus to evaluate the limits, upper limit minus lower limit. In the upper limit, we have replaced v with minus u plus 1 and lower limit v with 0. After simplification, we get these values. Opening the square in the first term, we get these values. In the next step, we will perform the integration. The integration of 1 will be u. Integration of u square will be u cube over 3. Integration of u is u square over 2. Integration of 3 by 2 is u raised to power 5 by 2 over 5 by 2 minus integration of u raised to power 1 by 2 will be u raised to power 3 by 2 over 3 by 2. In all this term, we have used the power formula. In the next step, we will apply fundamental theorem of calculus to evaluate these limits. Upper limit minus lower limit. So after some simplification, here we have upper limit minus lower limit. Simplifying the terms, we will get our required result minus 1 over 10. Thank you for watching this video.